But I mean, so what I'm trying to figure out here is I think that the floodplain definitely was a big factor that led people to be more concerned about all the other little things. But once we fixed the little things, it sold. But also you couldn't take away the markings on the house that had been in and out of contract 3 or 4 times. And so, you know, that was a factor that we couldn't get rid of, but you kind of got rid of it by taking it off the market long enough to make it a renewed listing. And when people asked why was it off the market and why did it come back, we addressed this, and this, and kind of refreshed it. It honestly was a genius, like, plan, I thought.